What's up, guys? I'm about to take the Sunfire to the gas station. It's going to be the longest trip it's driven since it's been fixed. I'm just going to put some gas in it and see if it overheats or anything. I'm going to baby it. I'm going to baby it really good. But we'll see.
Alright, let's just start it up and I'm pulling out now. The ABS is already on. Roll this window down. But I did something crazy last night. Probably shouldn't have done it, but I've been watching a lot of Boosted Boys and Old Haggard Garage, Motor Nubs, all those guys. I bought the car for $600, and last night I ordered a turbo kit for it, and some wheel hubs, of course. I'm gonna fix the wheel hubs first before I put a turbo on it, because that just wouldn't make sense, putting a turbo on it and not fixing the wheels. But yeah, the brand of the turbo kit, never heard of it. You guys probably haven't either. One of the cheap eBay turbo kits. It's by Heavyweight Champion. And I tried to find a turbo that didn't have an internal wastegate on it, because I've heard a lot of bad things about those, and they're not really for high performance, and stuff can go wrong with the internal wastegate. So I just got one with the external wastegate and a blow-off valve, and never installed one of those before, so it's gonna be my first time doing a turbo kit, and I'm gonna be doing it in my apartment complex. Shout out to 79th Productions. He inspired me to do all this. Just watching that guy bust his ass and fix the cars. Man, it's inspiring. Especially the blue Civic he has. He bought it for $300. Man, that thing looks totally different now. But yeah, he installed his turbo kit in his apartment complex, I think in one day. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure he did it in one day. So I'm going to be doing that whenever it arrives. Well, I'm going to do the wheel hubs first when those arrive, and the turbo will probably be here July 31st or August 1st, maybe at the latest August 3rd. But yeah, I'm going to be doing that in my apartment complex, just like our boy 79 Productions.